Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're turning some prime beef on a spit at the pit, and it's real easy to do. But let's get something straight right off. It is sold on the market as prime beef, right? You go to a restaurant, it's prime rib, right? But only 2% of American beef is actually prime. So this is choice. Different qualities of choice, whatever. If they want to call it prime beef, go right ahead. This here is more what they call a boneless ribeye, or a rib beef section without the bone in, all right? Makes it real easy to cook. And here we're loading it on a spit. You're familiar with these, right? Just lock it in there. Oh. Now, this is about a 20-pound boneless cut. Some would call it very expensive, but really not. If you do it yourself at your own pit, it's real cheap compared to what you'd be served up at a restaurant, whatever, right? So here we're just loading on with some seasoning. Use your favorite seasoning. We're using a beef rub seasoning, right? This will add some flavor. Now, the cool thing about doing it on the spit, right? Of course, you just want to get your spit. You've seen this before, right? This is one of those spits, right? Perfect. You just load it in. It's got a motor and a battery op. You've seen it. It works forever. It'll carry easily 20 pounds. And here we're going to put it over a managed fire, and we're going to let it turn, right? Now, this could literally turn for hours and hours, and you can pick off of it, right? Just little slices. It could be medium rare, it could be rare, it could be well done, right? Now, this is the easy part. Hang around and watch it spin. And of course, baste it between beers whenever you got time. Take a look at those burnt ends, huh? Oh, it's gonna be good. And in a miracle of time, we're gonna start trimming. On the outside, of course, it's most well done. The deeper you get, the more rare it is. So you can keep sampling. Now here's the other thing. You can adjust your flavors. So we're gonna hit it with a different kind of rub. Maybe a little bit of SPG or whatever you got. Hit it again, start spinning. Oh yeah. Man, it's gonna be good. And in a miracle of time, this is what you got. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. And look at those burn ends, like I said. Now, this is the easy part again, right? Let's take the spit out. Simple enough. Oh, man. Get your trusty 10-inch butcher. Oh, man. Oh, like butter. Look at that. Perfect. Medium rare. Now, of course, some of you say, oh, it's not cooked enough. Or some of you will say, it's cooked too much. But this is what you got. Man, Lord have mercy. So remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, head on over to BBQPitBoys.com. And also sign up your own chapter. We'd be proud to have you.
You, Bob, you're going to like this shot right here, man. Oh, my God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, right there.